Mature Garden star Barbie Sue aka Sunshine, pumanaw na sa edad na 48. Pumanaw na ang sikat na Taiwanese actress na si Barbie Sue dahil sa pneumonia ngayong Lunes, Pebrero 3 sa kasalukuyang taon. Siya ay 48 taong gulang. Kinumpirma ang malungkot na balita ng kapatid ni Barbie, ang talk show host na si Jisoo, sa pamamagitan ng kanyang talent. Nakasad sa statement na inilabas sa media, "Our whole family came to Japan for a trip, and my dearest and most kind-hearted sister Barbie Sue died of influenza-induced pneumonia and unfortunately left us." Dagdag pa ni Day, "I was grateful to be her sister in his life and that we got to care for and spend time with each other. I will always be grateful to her and miss her." Nakasama niya rito ang tinaguriang E4 na sina Jerry Yan, Vic Zhu, Vanessa Wu at Ken Chu. Naulila naman ni Barbie ang kanyang South Korean husband na ang singer na si Daeji Koo Jun-yup at ang kanyang 10-year-old daughter at 8-year-old son mula sa ex-husband na si Wang Xiaofei.